In this video, you are going to see the 1 hour extreme mixed gaming on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion mobile phone. Currently, the battery is at 100% and the mobile is connected to Wi-Fi. These are the games that I'm playing for a total of 1 hour. Coming to the ambient temperature, it is 31 degrees Celsius. Now, let's start the gameplay. And in between, I'll also tell you some interesting specs and features of this mobile phone. The first game I'm playing is BGMI. This mobile phone comes with a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 or 7S Gen 4 chipset depending on the region. I'm testing the 7S Gen 4 model. Also, this one has a vapor cooling chamber to maintain good thermals. We will know how well it helps at the end. I enabled the FPS meter, you can also observe it. This is an inbuilt feature in Motorola mobile phones. This panel supports up to a 144Hz refresh rate. This mobile phone also supports with ultra extreme settings in BGMI game. So I'm using these settings and playing the game. Let's see how it performs. I'm fast forwarding the gameplay and sharing only the things I observed. The FPS meter is crossing more than 100 FPS during the gameplay. Coming to the display, this is a quad curved panel with a HDR10 Plus support. The peak brightness can reach up to 5200 nits on this mobile phone, which is very high and comfortable to use in direct sunlight or outdoor conditions. Even the screen to body ratio is around 91.3%, which results in thin bezels all around the screen. During the gameplay, I didn't face any lags or frame drops. The mobile is slightly warm to hold but not overheating. I'm not using any back cover on this mobile phone during this entire gameplay, but I have applied a UV tempered glass for the display. Alright, after 15 minutes of gameplay, the battery dropped to 97%. Coming to the temperature, on the front it is 42.4 degrees Celsius, on the back it is 40.4 degrees Celsius. Till now, the temperatures have increased quite a bit. We will see how these are affected during longer gameplay. The next game I'm playing is FreeFire Max. Let's see how this game runs. And one more thing, I'm focusing on playing heavy games only because if this mobile phone can handle these games easily, the other games are just a piece of cake. These are the graphic settings I'm using for this game. This mobile comes with either a 5200 mAh or 7000 mAh battery capacity depending on the region. Currently, I'm using the 7000 mAh variant. Yes, both are silicon carbon tech batteries, that's why you are observing very good battery life even after playing these heavy games. And one more thing, the charging speeds are also very good on this mobile phone. I'll upload that video as well soon after this. If in case you are watching this video later, you can check the description box or the pinned comment section for more videos and details about this mobile phone. After 30 minutes of gameplay, the battery drops to 95%, which is very good. Coming to the temperature, on the front it is 41.5 degrees Celsius, on the back it is 40.1 degrees Celsius. The mobile is still comfortable to hold and play for the next games. Up to now, everything is going well. The next game I'm playing is Genshin Impact. These are the graphic settings of the game. This game also runs at 60 FPS on this mobile phone. The Motorola Edge 70 Fusion also comes with an IP68 and IP69 ratings at this price range. The specs and features of the Motorola mobile phones are always good compared to the price and even the other branded device. But the only drawback is service support and quality of software updates. I'm getting a lot of comments, people are observing these issues even these days. If these two are rectified by Motorola, then this is going to be a huge jump for their brand, because the present generation or newcomers to smartphones are choosing mobiles based on the specs to price ratio and long-term usability. What do you say about this? Share your thoughts in the comment box. Even though this game runs smoothly most of the time, there are some frame drops and lags that I observed for a second. After 40 minutes of total mixed gameplay, the battery is at 93%. This mobile is a bit warmer to hold now compared to before. Coming to the temperature, on the front it is 42.3 degrees Celsius. On the back, it is 40.8 degrees Celsius. The next game I'm playing is Solo Leveling Arise. This is also a heavy graphic oriented game. Do note that depending on the game graphics, heating, battery backup and other factors will change. Even the ambient temperature also matters here. This game also runs at 60 FPS and these are the graphic settings that I'm using, all set to maximum. Even though this mobile phone comes with a huge battery, Motorola has managed to reduce the weight as much as possible. If your device comes with a 7000 mAh battery, the weight is 193 grams, whereas the other variant weighs just 177 grams. And by the way, this is the 128GB internal storage with 8GB RAM variant. Also, we get stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support on this mobile phone. After playing this game for a few more minutes, I completed the 1 hour continuous gameplay mark. Right now, the battery is at 90%, which is really amazing for these extreme games. Coming to the temperatures, on the front it is 42.6 degrees Celsius, on the back it is 40.9 degrees Celsius. Finally, here is the verdict of the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion in terms of gaming performance. This mobile is able to handle the games pretty well without overheating, thanks to the vapor cooling chamber and the chipset. But if you want to buy this mobile phone purely for gaming, I wouldn't suggest it. It still has a slightly lower performance chipset compared to the flagship ones. If you play games occasionally, whether it is normal or heavy titles, yes, you can do without any problems. The surprising thing here for me is that even after 1 hour of playing these heavy graphic oriented games, the battery backup is very good. I'm expecting that this mobile phone can easily last for 2 days if you are a normal and mixed user. If in case you're also using this Motorola Edge 70 Fusion mobile phone, you can share your review in the comments. It will be really helpful for the new buyers. Thank you so much for staying till now, and don't forget to hit the like button and the bell icon to the side of it to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel.